Welcome to 355 First Street, located in Soma, right in the heart of San Francisco. We're here at Suite 202. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath, gorgeous unit with high ceilings, as well as it's on the floor with all of the amenities, only a few steps away. As soon as you walk out here to the landing, which is really unique, whereas most other units may not even have a balcony. This one, you have a full walkway that takes you directly to the pool, hot tub, and dry sauna. Within a block walk of this building, you have coffee shops, some top restaurants in the area, as well as you're only a few blocks away from gorgeous Embarcadero and Ferry Building. Let's take a look.